You can see this. You know what it is? I'm losing my hair gradually. Okay, let's last that was 2024. Okay, towards the ending of 2024, I noticed I started losing my hair. I see here it's kind of like baby hair, you know. Okay, and now it's becoming obvious, right? So I got a solution. I check online and I saw something like this. You know what it is? Minoxidil. So that is what I'm going to be using. I was advised to use this for like maximum 6 months. Okay, every day. Okay, morning and night. Okay, this is supposed to last me a month, right? Month of usage. Then after that, okay, I got another one. I'll order for another product. Okay, another one exactly this. So I got a demo roller. So with this, okay, you can notice I have a receding hairline at the same time. You see this place, this particular spot and all this. Okay, there's not much hair like baby hair here. So okay, this particular spot I'm going to focus on and here. And at the same time, I'm going to try use it on my beard at the same time. My beard is always patchy. Okay, I'll be trying my best to grow full thick beard. Though I know the reason behind I'm find that difficult to do. Okay, my body find it difficult to do because I go through a lot of stress. I guess mine is out of a result of stress, and I'm going to work on two things. Try to get enough rest and at the same time use this. Okay, for the next 3 months, I'm going to use and see the results. So I'm going to keep you updated and see what is happening up here. Okay. Okay, so today is the first day I'm going to apply this. I'm going to use it morning and night, right? First day. Today's what? Today is what today's dates? Let's check. Let's check. Okay. We're in the month of April, 19th of April. Today is 19th of April. Okay, so I'm going to start using this for the next 3 months. Okay, once I exhausted this, I'll order for another one and I'll use this. Okay, so I'm going to keep you updated and same time I'll show you my progress, right? You see, it's even a little bit better now because you know why? I have reduced stress. I noticed the hair is getting back. Like 2 months ago, it was worse than this. Very, very bad. Okay, like it's very obvious. Even all this place like was like baby hair, fading, lack of nutrients, you know, all that. Okay, but now I reduce stress and I use much more like natural oil. That's what I use. Okay, so see, I'm getting better, but I want something that will make it more thicker, stronger. Okay, like how it was few years back. Okay, so I've got this. So this is what I'm going to be using, right? So this is disinfectant though. This is what I'm going to use to disinfect the demo roller before I use it. So I'm going to keep you guys updated and see the progress, right? So this I'm going to use it on my beard too at the same time here, okay? And see after 3 months of usage if this is going to cover up. The hair here is going to be thicker and my hairline is going to come front a little bit. Okay, so keep you updated. One thing I know about life is anything we're working towards, making money, trying to like improve yourself, your look, fitness, okay, good health, you know, one thing is very important and that you must know miss is what consistency. Okay. You see, if I'm not consistent with this, it's gonna be difficult for me to see the result. Okay. There will not be a result. Okay. If I use it today, after 2 or 3 days, I skip. I use after some days I go back again and use. No, it's not like that. Life is not always like that. When it comes to gym, consistency is the key. When it comes to anything product you're using, you want to see the result. Consistency is the key. Okay, so I'm gonna try my possible best and be consistent with this. Okay, so today is the first day I'm going to start using it, right? 19th of April, right? So let's go have like 3 months. Then after that, I'll let you know what's up. Okay, I'm going to continue to do a video about this, right? And show you guys the progress, right? So that's it. So let me just go use this and see how to use this. I watch videos on how to use this. Some say like disinfect, okay, the demo roller first. Okay, so before we use it, so I'm going to quickly do that. I'm going to disinfect this. Okay, use disinfectant before I use the demo roller here here, especially more all this region. I'm going to use most of this region then on my cheek, right? I want my beard to be full and thicker, okay? So I want to grow a full thicker beard, right? So it's never too late. Let's try this. Let's see how effective it is. You know me already. You know how I look. You know how thick my hair is now. So let's see how it is. So let's start the first time I'll use this. Okay, so I'm done using disinfectant on my derma rollers. Okay, I'm going to use it like this. So you can tell me in the comment section if I'm using it the proper way, the right way, right? Because I've watched video, I've seen guys. So according to what I saw, something like this, right? Right. Okay, like this, then like this, like the region you want your hair to grow back. So that is where you're going to use it, right? So I'm going to try and do it now for like back and forth, horizontally, vertically, something like that, right? Cross straight, just in that region you want it to grow. Then after that, you apply your minoxidil. Okay, so let's go. See this place. I hope this like, oh, like, oh man, it's bad. Like, you start losing your hair. At tender age, very bad, man. I don't like it because I would like to like make my hair, place hair, dread a little bit. You can't rock any kind of style you want to rock, right? So that is one bad thing about it. Okay, so then like this again. I think it's like this alone can even make your hair grow. Okay, like you're exfoliating, right? This region, I need to focus on this particular region right here. Yeah. So let's see. Then my hairline, my receding hairline. So I'm gonna focus on it. It's kind of painful a little bit. Okay, needle like okay.